What are you guys doing? We're going to meet a dachshund. You're going to meet Kathy's dachshund. Yeah, that's what you're going to do. Look, it's another doggy. Let him down. We'll see. The boys are used to big bullies.
Yeah, go see them.
Come on. Who's in your yard, huh? Who's in your yard? Oh, he says, Bobby, what did you bring in my yard? Hey, boys, be nice. They're bouncing around. They want to play. Max says, I don't like white ties. Hey, Mommy, did you... I only like dachshunds.
They have no fear.
What'd you say?
I said they don't have any fear.
These boys?
Yeah.